valve for here. And if you're like me, you're stressed out with the work we've put in the last few months, and I appreciate that. It's time to complete the week. So, as the guide states, it says start with Mr. Balfour and his desk. And so, as you can see, I'm very busy, as well as all of you know that. So, this is going to be a little shorter. You're going to turn into me an email or message me on Teams. I completed the activity, and also turning activity log assignment 2 that's ongoing. Third, fourth, fifth, you're going to allow Mr. Bag for your lesson. Kindergarten through second grade, you're going to select Balfour. Each of you have a different activity or lesson from each of these. If you want to do the grade, that is okay. So third, fourth, fifth graders, if you also want this one, that's okay. And garden grade and second, you can certainly do a big as well. So once you've completed either for third, fifth grade, or kindergarten, sorry, first, second, then everybody's going to select from the rope here for weekly workout. I do want you to try to do this 2 to 3 days consecutive, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or even Monday, Saturday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So you don't want to do the same. This is a level challenge, so when you do this, it will take out called secret agent workout, and that's why I'm being sneaky and coming in. I mean, we're going to do level 1 at 3 turns or sets. Remember, number of turns. Each one of these exercises is a repetition count, doing 10 of these reverse lunges. You're stepping back instead of stepping forward, side lunges, and then you got reverse lunges here. Well, to me, these look like the left leg and the right. That's what you're doing in the K, and then workout, some others, latissimus dorsi, some good stuff. It tells you a little more better if you want to do it. Now, it says a 2-minute rest each. So you do one set, all of those exercises, repetition, then you're going to take a 2-minute rest. Again, if you don't want to, go ahead and hit it hard and do it. And when you send me your email on I did my sign here, and then let you go and workout. All right, the week assignment number 2. Thanks again in the time. I know everybody is busy. It's getting done towards the end of school. Appreciate your hard work. These emails, I love seeing your activity logs. I'm impressed. I'm very proud of all the hard work you're doing. All right, keep moving. Stay active. Be well.